What you about to get?
You gonna give it to me. Most
High
likely
tech.
invested in the do something so I can get that revenue.
See these niggas get down, get with it or get left down. Usher good on and left now. Got pain all in my chest. That left eye got you stressed out. White bitch treat me like get out. Nigga hoes who stand up. Let your bitch she fan out. Send me shots out the gym. See they ducking with you. I got that bad talk to my fucking with you. They always mad cause I'm posted and I'm function with you. You always mad to the sun. Always something with you. You fucking with me, turn me into a different nigga. My niggas squirmier than your dog, you can't pose with no picture. How you feeling up? Got you feeling up. Hey, you know you rich, got my buzz up. Let the hands go, got my hands up. I was counting money, now the sun's up. Spelling out your name, put on ones up. Fucking on the limb with a bum.
I came there with 3 black men, nigga. We all suited up and booty, nigga, like this. What's up? Nigga like, I ain't never bought a suit, nigga. Never thought I'd put one on, nigga. Nigga, yeah, with my briefcase, I would've bought one from Macy's yesterday. Suitcase numbers and all that, nigga. I like talking to them niggas, man. I'm ready to talk to Jay-Z. Let me hit that. I'd rather have motherfucking a sit down than lunch.
Want to have a sit down with Jay-Z.
Man, I'm having a sit down.
Fuck out of here with
I'd rather
that.
have a sit down.
Man, I'm having a sit down. Cause
With Jay-Z, my nigga?
I'd rather have a sit down with 50 Cent.
Nah, 50 Cent. Nah, that nigga 50 Cent. It's cause that nigga knows what shit was like, though.
50 gonna be arrogant. 50 gonna be on some.
Jay-Z gonna be
Nah,
Jay-Z. But Jay-Z a billion.
No, Jay. No.
He's
See,
still a million
Jay,
people.
you gotta have a plan. You gotta let Jay see your vision somewhere where he don't see. If Jay see some shit he already seen that you doing, oh nah.
I feel like
But 50 keep it real though.
Yeah, he gonna put himself in our shoes.
Right. So he a hood nigga.
But that I'm just saying, you could get fired. You gonna get fired. You gonna get somewhere. Yeah. But the two corporations are different.
To me, it's a different thing. What you going with 50 is gonna be different with Jay-Z.
Jay, you had that plan together, I believe. Cause the way I talked to the bank today, I had a plan together where you had to say, that's a great idea.
Oh, with a loan.
Instead of, you know what I mean? That was a good ass plan that we came in. We came in with a plan. The way the man, the lender was like, that's a good ass idea. Right. Instead of him, oh, I see this. Nah, nigga, we could work. This is our plan. Let us.
Right.
Ask for some bread and not be able to pay it back. They looking at us like we just about to get the bread and just play with this shit and not do nothing with it. Like this nigga got the bread and bought 2 box trucks.
Right. And that's the thing. It's like,
let me come across some money like some loans or some shit, man. I'm gonna have mad people want to work in my barbershop. I'm gonna have this shit so late.
right.
You get 10 professional barbers, nigga, upgrade, get them have DK spinning your record.
DK doing that shit.
Nigga, promote. That's all you gotta do, promote. Make a bitch. Nigga, I give out $10 cuts and stop all you niggas from eating.
Hey, yo. Every $10 cut's gonna look like the $40 cut.
Every Friday you got from 8 to 9 to get in the door. Lock the door, we taking care of y'all, and we go back up to the general public. Man, y'all, look, finish, nigga. We'll let bitch come back in. Yeah, nigga, next year we chasing the rainbow. When you see one, call me. I'm gonna follow that bitch.
Hey, yo.
What you about to
Most likely you gonna give it to me. Most likely they'll give it to me. Check, right? I get that loan from my bank. I need some loans. Word, bro. Like loans for me to actually do something.
Right.
I don't need no loans.
and shit.
I don't need no loans from just my pockets.
Right.
I'm good. I got a little good money coming in.
It's not broke, but niggas need a loan to start shit up too.
Even if I was that broke, I don't want money just from my pockets. I want money to invest in it, to do something. So I can get that revenue coming in. Like,
Keep pulling, cutting. Keep it up. Keep the money going, bro. Yeah. How about you though? I know, bro. I'm just still working. Architect thing, right? Mm-hmm. That's fine. No, I gotta go to the mall, so I was like, shit, I need to get a cut real quick.
Put to use.
I killed them. Turn the war, you can see the nigga. Yeah, all that, bro. Nigga had what you call that shit when niggas don't get circumcised. Shit like that, bro. Like yo, he had the turtle shit.
Niggas had to,
Skin over his shit.
niggas had to animate that shit too. I'm like, wow, y'all niggas really get paid to do anything, huh?
Right. They really get paid for that shit.
Right, they get paid to do it.
What you call that shit when niggas don't get circumcised? Shit